Welcome to another episode of Behind the Science Rockstar Edition. I'm your host, Jennifer Fournier. A friend of mine got me into listening to soft melodies, which play long notes. Interesting fact on long notes, apparently Kenny G holds the Guinness record for holding the longest note on a saxophone, an E flat for over 45 minutes. That is a long time. Holding long flowing notes help create soft, smooth music. So in this episode of Behind the Science, I want to tell you about the soft ionization techniques for GC and how they're useful in pesticide analysis. So let's go meet our version of Kenny G. Hi Kari, how are you?
Hi Jen, I'm good, how are you?
Great, I'm glad I found you because I've been using some pest control products around my home lately, and after learning what pesticides can do to the bee population, I want to make sure that I'm using a safe product.
You've come to the right place. Actually, one of the pesticides that's found in a lot of home pest control products is called bifenthrin, and it's known to be harmful to the bee population. And it can also be a very hard compound to analyze using typical electron impact gas chromatography.
So how would you test for it?
So we would use our atmospheric pressure gas chromatography, or APGC system, which I can show you right here.
That'd be great.
So Jen, electron impact ionization is an ionization process where the compounds are being hit with high energy electrons to produce ions. Since the compounds are being hit, they tend to fragment before entering into the mass spectrometer. Since the parent ion is no longer intact for analysis, this can cause decreased selectivity and sensitivity, leading to false positives. But we have a different solution called atmospheric pressure gas chromatography, or APGC, that is a much softer ionization technique. APGC is a soft ionization technique where the charge is transferred to the compound from a corona discharge. By ionizing the compound with a transfer mechanism as opposed to impacting, the compounds do not fragment. This generates an ion on the parent molecule rather than a fragment. The analysis is much more selective and sensitivity is enhanced.
Wow, Kari, that's really interesting work. I like what you are able to get with soft ionization techniques, but I have to tell you, I still do a lot of work with electrospray ionization. Do I need a dedicated system for APGC?
No, using the APGC source, you can actually do both APGC and ESI, or LC, on the same mass spectrometer. We have the setup here. I can show you how easy it is to switch over between the two.
Yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna get out of the way.
It's really that simple.
Wow, it really is that simple, but I don't know if I can be as fast as you. Now I can add a new instrument that plays soft notes to our rock band. So if I want to gently ionize a GC compound, I can use atmospheric pressure gas chromatography. It creates fewer fragments and increases the selectivity of the analysis. Plus, how great is it that you can quickly swap out the source, making it so versatile? And as promised, we have an application note for this. Check out the link below for more information on what we discussed today. And join us next time for another episode of Behind the Science Rockstar Edition.